Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Homeschool in the Woods. Today I'm going to show you what it looks like to homeschool a first grader, so stay tuned. Alright, here we go. Abram? It says, let's review the sounds some letter combinations make. First, I'm going to say the letters, then I'm going to make the sound the letters make together. Next, I will read a word that has the sound. Then you will read a word that has the sound. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright, EA sounds like bread. Now you sound this one out. What's his first letter? Head. Good. EA also sounds like E, like in beam.
Same.
Nope, do it again. No, this one has the long E sound.
Seat.
Seat. Okay, good. Now we're going to write the missing letters for each word. Okay, now it's these two words. What is this?
Head.
Okay, so you have to fill in the two missing letters. You remember what they were? Okay. Can you write them? Here, there's some here for some reason. Here, write it right, nice and neat over here. Okay, remember our letter combination? It's not just E, it's E.
A.
Good, okay. And remember it had the long E sound too. What was this one?
Chair.
No, we did it up here. You sound it out right here? No, it had the long E.
Seat.
Okay, so this is what this is. Seat. Can you fill in the missing letters? Here, put it over here so you have room. That's a G. Okay, write it over here, like right here. Remember how you did it over here? Do it like that. Okay, and then what's our other letter? Remember, it's a letter combination. Remember? Okay. Okay, good. Alright, let's flip it over. Let's see what we got to do. Okay, it looks like you are going to write the lowercase alphabet that goes with the uppercase. So, like if you see a big A, you're going to have to write the lowercase a next to it, okay, for each one. Okay, you got to do each one.
Beef.
What are you doing?
There's a hair on me.
That's probably one of my hairs. Remember, you got to make the lowercase, okay? You got to make a little G, not a big G.
Like one.
No, you erase it. I'll show you.
I look really good. Eraser.
Okay, we'll just write it right here. Make a circle down here. Yeah, between the dotted line there, okay? And then you make a line down, like you're making a J. No, down, like this. You remember how? Like that. Remember? Little G? Okay. Little H.
Oh, I don't know how to make one.
Hmm?
I don't want to make one of those.
To make a little J,
Yeah.
remember you start here and it goes down below the line, and then you put a dot. So start at the dotted line and go down. Yeah, then you put a dot on top. Okay, you remember how to make a little K?
Mm.
There you go.
As
Okay.
belong by
What's this one? Sound it out.
have
Have. Very good. Remember the OU? What does the OU say?
out
Ow.
out
Out.
they
They. Very good. Here, be quiet.
them
Them.
then
Alright, here's your tricky one. Remember that one?
ow
No. Remember this WH?
Wha-
No, this one says who. It's a rule breaker.
what ought to want
Very good.
or at wet
That's an N.
or when
When.
then
Then.
this
This.
at that
That.
or ill will
Will.
go at get
You can do it. You like handwriting?
A little bit.
Do you like the horse?
Mm.
You like the doing the little puzzles? Sometimes.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're doing our place value village. This is what it looks like. The one's house, the ten's house. That is the hundreds house, and here is his place value counting mat. He's got a dry erase, and here is our counting items, our beans, and that's what we made for tens. You ready, Abram?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. All right, go ahead. Uh-oh.
You don't erase.
You just have to use your finger. I don't have an eraser. Yeah, there you go. Okay, keep going.
Mm. Eight, 9.
Okay. Okay, what happens after 9?
10.
Oh, you're knocking your houses down. Okay, but remember, only 9 can live in the one's house, so what do we have to do? Do they have to move?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you gotta take your beans out. Okay, so you put your beans back and then you get a what?
10.
So you get a 10 and put it in the 10th house. So now, what's your new number? You're gonna have to make it on your deal.
20.
Huh?
20.
No, you only have one 10. So what's your number? You gotta erase all these right here. I don't have a rag. So can you use your finger to erase those? Yeah. Just erase it all. There you go. Okay, write your new number. How many 10s do you have?
1.
Okay. So what do you write in the 10s place?
Forgot.
In your 10s house, what do you write? You got 1 10. You got 1. And then how many 1s do you have in your 1's house? 0. So now you have 10. Good.
I want to make that 30.
Huh? Okay, we just finished up the place value village. We had to count 30 items in our village, and now he's going to finish up his... quit. He's going to finish up his lesson, which is just copy work. He's going to be doing... writing his numbers real quick. So here, get your pencil. We're going to finish that up. Pretty simple lesson today, but that is the good thing about Masterbooks. It's not overwhelming lessons for them, so I really like that. What do you think about it, Abram? Do you like it?
Uh-huh.
Do you like math?
Mm-hmm.
Is that your favorite subject?
Kind of.
Kind of? Okay. Okay, his next part is reading. We are on book 6 of our Bob books. So, alright. Can you read the sight words?
In. 2.
No.
In. No. No.
It's not.
Not.
And what's this word? I don't think you've had that word. Can you say some?
Some.
Okay, good. What about this one?
Milk.
Milk. Okay. Okay, right here.
It had some milk in a jug.
Good. Okay. Right here. Right here.
The milk is in
No.
on
Sound it out. Hmm.
No, not
Not?
in a pan.
Good. Okay. Okay, so we're all finished with his work for today. Abram, what'd you think?
That was fun.
Was it fun? Was it fun to be on camera?
A little bit.
A little bit? What was your favorite part? Hey, look at me.
Oh.
You don't know what your favorite part is? Alright, well, looks like you get to go play now. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Okay, guys, so that concludes our lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed. It was very short, probably, and sweet. I like to keep our lessons really short because my 6-year-old cannot sit still for very long at all. So we try to get it done as quickly as we can. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'm going to be bringing you weekly videos all about homeschool. So see you soon, guys.